Did you know Dollar Tree had homemade pancakes? Well, they don't, but let me show you how to make them. So basically, here are the ingredients. You're gonna want to add your dry ingredients first, mix them all up. The recipe I use can be found on my IHOP Buttermilk Pancakes video about 2-3 videos back. The main difference in this video is I used applesauce instead of an egg, and that made our batter a little bit more liquidy, so I had to add a lot more flour. I probably added roughly a cup to a cup and a half more flour, probably even more than that. But what I should have also added was more of that leavening agent, so I think it was baking powder or baking soda to make it a lot more fluffy. But you just want to add more flour until it's thick to your liking, honestly. Here's me adding the applesauce, and I even added some baking soda to the applesauce, and it made like a little reaction. So you see how it kind of, I don't know, it made some sort of chemical reaction, but it still wasn't enough baking powder for the amount of flour that I added. Y'all see how thin it is? That looks like maybe a crepe batter. I don't know, I've never made or had crepes, but that's what I imagine it would look like. Here's our desired consistency. We're just gonna roll with it. It's thicker, it looks a lot better. So of course you wait till the pancakes bubble and then you flip them. And then I like to swirl them around in the pan, all that extra buttery goodness. And that's really it. You know, you wait a couple seconds and then I like to flip them one more again just to make sure they cooked all the way through. Cause you know, these real light skinned, so I had to make sure it was cooked all the way through. So I try to make these in little medallion, little teacher sizes or whatever. But yeah, that's it. I wound up serving it with the strawberry compote I made. Real delicious, real good. I like using that as a syrup substitute because it's a lot less sugar and I think it's a lot healthier. I don't know. And honestly, that's why I like making stuff from scratch or closer to scratch than you can get from getting prepackaged or pre-frozen, because you can change it to your diet how you like. You could change the milk and use a plant-based milk, or you can use like canola oil to cook your pancakes in, and basically it's a vegan or vegetarian pancake. Like, it's real simple, real easy, and it's not really gonna taste too much different from this recipe. So yeah, y'all, we did it. We made these things from scratch. It's really simple, really easy, really fun. I hope y'all enjoy, and I hope y'all can make it. Bye.